really about to piss the HOA off.
Alright boys, so scrolling Facebook Marketplace the other night, I found the most absolute gem. I didn't even ask if it was still available. I'm like, hey, I'm coming to get it tomorrow, paying full price. This is Tater.
Well, we bought a monster truck.
Bro, look at these camouflage
Wheels.
Look at the tires. They got, you can see the air in them things.
I can barely reach it, but I can reach it.
Oh, there's no floor.
Okay.
Oh, Lord.
What is up with our battery situation in these last few videos? This Joker has got this in a freezer storage bin.
It's a content car.
I'm with you, but
Oh, that looks like they went shopping at the convenience store. Why'd they cut all the brake lines?
I don't know.
He said they were cut when he got it.
Why'd he buy it?
He got it on a trade.
Damn, what'd he trade? Some crack?
You want to try to fire this bad boy up?
Just fire it.
There's a little trick.
You gotta spit on it first?
All of these wires were not needed. None.
This is a dumb car now.
You got to cover the carburetor because it doesn't have a filter on it, but you got to turn that on.
This is really about to piss the HOA off.
Uh-oh. It died.
I think you're out of gas, bud.
What's the gas gauge say?
It's full. It's got fuel. It's the, what's that thing?
The Topinator. See, the Topinator hooked up to the motor.
Is this a keg bottle? Like a, you know what I'm talking about?
I don't know, because usually keg has a tap on one end. This don't have a tap.
So like just the CO2 bottle?
We need to put this in the HO or the driveway for the HOA because
Right next to the Mercury.
exactly.
You got something slammed on the ground, and then you got a monster truck.
Needs a little work, bud.
This is not gonna fly as operable with his HOA, so we're gonna have to do a little fine tuning on this so we can make sure that it is operable and we can get another tag. I'm thinking like FUHOA 2. We'll just label them all that. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll see how many we can cram in the driveway without blocking the sidewalk.
What you think?
I think it's a great investment. We can get into mini monster trucks now.
You think it might be the fuel filter though? I mean, fuel pump?
There's probably a lot of things that it could be with this pile of shit.
Bro, it is not. It's not a pile of poop.
Gym. It's a gym.
I already paid them. I paid them before y'all. Yeah, before y'all got here, it was already ours.
Oh, what is it? 1,200 bucks?
It was 1,500.
Oh, well, you could have taken off 300 bucks for the floorboard missing.
Or no battery.
There's no battery?
He's gonna take his battery back.
No. No.
He's got a bad spot on the flywheel.
Hercules, Hercules.
All right, try it again, Jay.
Should we put this in the HOA? Put it in my driveway to mess with the HOA? I don't know what to say. Just subscribe. Like, if you're not subscribed, you probably got little nuts or something. That's
Little nuts.
yeah, like peanuts.
No, I don't think it's little nuts.
Like acorn. I mean,
I think it's like the opposite.
You like
of nuts.
just. I'm on a diet.
Yeah, you're sabotaging us.
Matthew said he looks like a walrus.
I didn't say I look like a walrus. I will after this cookie.
You want it?
Put it in the truck. I bet it'll go missing before we get back.
I think I'm gonna put my 26s on it. Well, I guess we'll do 14 wides.
Yeah, it'll fit.
I think this gas mileage will be a lot better than that F250. 100%. Like it's
I agree.
probably less maintenance.
I
Like,
don't think it's gonna be less maintenance.
not if we get done with it.
Light up and pull till your voice